Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the machine. Make sure it's plugged in and has enough battery because recovery work drains power. Once done, back up any irreplaceable files quickly. You want a fallback. Now shut down the Macbook Air, then press and hold the power button until you see the startup options. This gets you into recovery on Apple Silicon. This step avoids safe boot ambiguity and gives you the tools you need to repair the system. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility and run First Aid on Macintosh HD to fix file system issues that force safe boot. After First Aid finishes, open Terminal. If NVRAM is present, run a quick clear to remove corrupt startup settings. Make sure to close utilities and reboot normally, then test safe mode by holding Shift on startup. This lets you observe whether the system still forces safe boot. If it does, you'll have disk and NVRAM info to guide the next step. If disk repair and NVRAM clearing don't stop safe boot, use Recovery's Reinstall Mac OS. This refreshes core system files while keeping your data. Make sure you're on a stable network and follow on-screen prompts. The installer will verify firmware and replace missing components. If reinstalling fails, restore from a Time Machine snapshot or, as a last resort, erase and clean install Mac OS. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.